Dreamina Seedance 2.5 just changed the way to edit videos forever. Just an example. Here is a video of a waterfall. And here's an AI edited video of that waterfall where a large whale jumps from it. Here's another one. So this right here is a horse sitting in the middle. And here I told the AI to replace that horse with an elephant. And to do this, you need to use the Seedance 2.5 on Dreamina because this is the only platform that allows for edits like this. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how this works. And before we go, thanks for Dreamina for sponsoring today's video. But now let's get started. So now to start editing videos using AI, you could use Seedance 2.5 directly by adding a reference video and telling the AI to do some tweaks on it. But unfortunately, that doesn't give you good results at all. So what I have discovered is that here on Dreamina, you can actually open up the AI video tab from here. You can choose the Seedance 2.5, and then from here you can choose the Smart Edit feature. And now here, all you need to do is drop your reference video over here. So just an example, let's start with this one where there is a waterfall running down like this. And now to edit this video, you need to click on Edit with Marks. And here it opens up an editor where you can scrub the video anywhere where you like. So for example, if you want the changes or edits to take place from the second number 2 of the video, just scrub it over here. And then, for example, let's put this to around 1 and 2 seconds. And now what we can do is we can choose an area where we want to apply these changes. So we can use the rectangle selector. And just an example, I will tell the AI to do edits on this area because I want a whale to appear from somewhere over here. And now you can click Add to Chat. And this marks that selected region from that specific timestamp into the conversation. And now all you literally need to do is tell the AI exactly what you want to do. So let's say something like this. Make a whale jump from the waterfall. And then just click Save. And then just hit generate and the AI will start to create your video with these desired edits. And after a couple of minutes of waiting, here is the result. I mean, this looks just fantastic. And something I really love about this is that it works with very simple instructions and edits. So you don't need to know anything about prompting. This could literally be your first time using AI and you could pull stuff off like this in just a matter of minutes. And now let me show you some of my favorite results that I did with this feature. So for example, here's an original video that I found online where there are some waves splashing into these houses built on top of the ocean or the sea. And then I told the AI just to make this calm and make it mirror perfectly. And here's what that result looks like. I mean, that is just fantastic. It looks like the original video, but now there are no waves. Then in a very similar style to here, I found this clip where somebody's flying a drone over the ocean, and I like it otherwise, but I think it's a bit dark because there are so many clouds, and also there's no action in the water. So I told the AI to remove the clouds and add a sailing yacht going by this shore or this clip. So this is just fantastic. And you can even see that in the original video, you have these waves and they are not reflecting light because there's no sunshine. But here in the edited version, the AI even took that into account. And these reflections that the waves are making are so realistic that there is absolutely nothing or no way to tell this is AI generated. Then here's also one that I showed in the intro, so it's the horse. I told the AI to replace that with an elephant. So here's what that looks like. And then maybe my overall favorite is this one where you have a bird eating something. It's like appears that there's some kind of a rotten wood or some banana or something, I don't know. Nonetheless, it is eating. I told the AI to change this bird to a bluebird, and I actually added a reference picture as to which species this should be. And here is what that result looks like. So it looks exactly like this is an original video, but now the bird has been replaced. So this is unbelievable. Now, the only two things I don't like about these edits are the facts that, well, first of all, the voices or sounds that the AI tends to add to these clips, they are not that good. So you actually need to tell specifically to not modify it or add any music or weird sounds. And then the other one is the simple fact that right now Seedance 2.5 is actually not available in higher than 720p resolution. So these clips are actually not that good looking on a larger screen, but I'm expecting that to change very soon. Nonetheless, that is how you create amazing edits for your videos with simple couple word comments like turn the water red or make the sky clear or something. And the only way to do this is by heading over to Dreamina with my link in the description. You will need to choose the Seedance 2.5, do a smart edit, and edit with marks if you want to edit a specific section of the video. And that is going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day. See you.